How to hide or delete a product in Shopify. Welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are going to learn if you want to hide or delete products in Shopify to control which items your customers see without losing data or permanently remove products you no longer sell. First of all, open the Shopify application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the 3 horizontal menu buttons at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to this next page where you need to click on Products. Inside the Products tab, select the product you'd like to hide or delete. After you are inside this product info section, click on the active status at the top right and select Draft if you want to hide the product. Once you select Draft, the product will not be visible on selected sales channel or markets. Once you are done, click on Save at the top right corner if you want to hide the product. But if you want to delete the product from your product list, go ahead and click the 3 dots at the top right corner from this product page, and in the pop-up at the bottom, click Delete. Click on Delete once again in the pop-up to delete the product from your market or your store. So that is how you can easily delete a product in Shopify. The action cannot be undone, so make sure you want to remove it permanently. Hiding is safer than deleting if you may sell the product again in the future. You can also consider archiving products instead of deleting for records. Your product is now either hidden or deleted according to your selection. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.